What's up, guys? We're Team 6. I'm Kuldeep.
I'm Vikrant.
I'm Anirudh.
I'm Rohan.
And we're HackOps.
Go.
Our project is focused on helping operators find and prevent possible power outages in a given area. With our interactive 3D map, we're able to help operators find the loading percentage, IEEE ratings, and other important factors based on the environment through these pop-ups. We also give them very important inputs on the top lines that require attendance at a given time.
In our data section, you can see our total transmission lines. And within the transmission lines, you can see the status of it, the loading percent, the rating, the flow, and the margin. Within our analysis, you can also see our daily load scaling, which analyzes how load generation changes throughout the day, stretches the transmission system, and uses a sine wave to approximate daily variations. You can also see our peak loading at the specific times with highest and lowest throughout the day, as well as a 24-hour timeline, which averages it. You can also see the most stressed lines within the 24-hour max.
Another way we can test for stress lines is through our outage simulation. Let's say one line goes down, or we're just testing to see what lines are at risk. If we select two lines that may fall, we can simulate an outage in those lines and see what lines are the most at risk, what happens to them, and what buses might be islanded. Another way we could also test for stress on the system is doing weather analysis. This also comes with some AI-generated quick scenarios, along with a more customizable drop-down of temperature. Let's say we want to see summer peak. This will show us then a comparison with the baseline, where we can look at the current system status, the average loading, and how much has changed from previous temperatures.
So for our final feature in our interactive dashboard, we have an AI-powered assistant that can answer any questions for the operators based on the data set. So we have some suggested questions here, and if I were to ask, are there any overloaded lines? The chatbot is going to pull the data from the data set, and it shows that some of the top stress lines here are L48, 49, 50, and because the chatbot utilizes RAG, I can ask a question like, what would happen if L50 goes down at 6 p.m. So if the operators would like to account for hypothetical scenarios, the chatbot can pull data and then it can provide an answer. And with these answers, the operators can prevent some crises.